Hi, the purpose of this video is to introduce you to IT strategic planning. IT strategic planning is the process of aligning IT to the organization. So how do we do this? First, we must understand the organization. All successful organizations have a vision, a statement of what the organization wants to become. It's a declaration for the future, a guiding principle that gives shape and direction to the organization. The vision motivates the organization and gives it an identity and a sense of self. Secondly, successful organizations need a mission, a statement of the purpose of the organization. The mission statement describes what the organization does and why it exists. The mission should support and reflect the vision of the organization. Thirdly, organizations delineate strategies. Strategies define how an organization intends to succeed in its environment. Strategies are attempts by management to set the path that will secure a successful future for the organization, while supporting its guiding mission and vision. Strategies include developing and sustaining competitive advantages, differentiators, resources and capabilities that will enable the organization to stay ahead of its competition. Enter the CIO. The CIO is the Chief Information Officer. He or she is a high-level, often executive-level manager whose responsibility is to support the vision, mission, and strategies by leveraging IT. IT is information technology. It's computers, servers, software, networks, but also the processes and services. It is using technology to store, retrieve, transmit, and manipulate data that becomes information. So, organizations need an IT strategy. An IT strategy defines how IT, that technology and information, can be used by an organization to support its mission and vision. Now finally, what is strategic planning? IT strategic planning is a process of bringing to life the IT strategy. Through IT strategic planning, the CIO sets goals that serve as objectives, initiatives that serve as medium-term targets, and projects that serve as tactics. IT strategic planning aligns an organization's IT with its business strategies, its mission, and its vision. The strategies, mission, and vision must drive IT. They must give IT direction and priorities. In turn, IT strategy enables the organization to enact its strategies. It gives the organization capabilities to innovate and perform precisely so it can fulfill those strategies and ultimately achieve its mission and vision. According to Gartner research on CIO agendas, in 2012, CIOs aim to increase revenue growth, create new connections with customers, and reduce costs. The CIO turns these business and IT strategies into specific objectives, initiatives, and eventually a portfolio of projects. So, to recapitulate, an organization has a vision of itself for the future, and it expresses it through its mission of what it does. This mission and vision are supported by strategies, which are definitions of how it intends to succeed. One of these strategies is the IT strategy, which defines how information technology can be used to support the mission and vision. Lastly, the IT strategy is expressed through IT strategic planning. It's the plan to take IT strategy and turn it into objectives, initiatives, and projects. IT strategic planning aligns IT to the organization. And yes, it ultimately comes back to the organization. The organization's mission, vision, and strategies drive IT. They give IT direction. And in turn, IT enables the organization. It gives it the tools through which to fulfill that mission, vision, and strategies. We hope you learned a little bit about IT strategic planning. And Team One thanks you for your time and attention.